Hi Tzar beauties, welcome back to another Tzar Physique video, and in today's video we're going to be talking about sizing. And also why wear sweat belts when you're doing your waist training. So I know that sizing is a very important aspect in waist training, and when people go to buy the waist trainers, they have a lot of difficulties finding their size. So I thought, why not do a video about this and share it with you guys. So I will give you 3 very simple steps in which you can use to find the right size so that you could buy your waist trainer. And I will also give you a little detailed tutorial within this video where you can also use to buy your waist trainer. So most people think that wearing a waist trainer will solve all their problems, but what does a waist trainer really do? Well, a waist trainer during exercise, it will decrease the water weight in your midsection, and that is only when you exercise, right? So people who advise wearing a waist trainer during exercise will also tell you that you could wear it for 8 hours a day, but that is without exercise. So I'm saying that why wear a waist trainer for that long when you can achieve like the same results within a very short short workout session. So the first thing that you can do is measure your height, right? So you just find a way to measure your height. So my height is 5 feet 7 inches. I'm 5 feet 7 inches. The second step is to measure your waist size. So you place the tape measure. Remember that you have to have a tape measure on hand. We're going to use a tape measure and we're going to use inches. So you have your tape measure on hand and you place it around the smallest part of your abdomen, and you have to make sure that it is tight. Then you record that measurement, and then the third and final step is that you measure your weight. As simple as this, you just measure your weight, darlings. So I weigh 159 pounds right now. Oh, and one thing to note is that the measurement that you get, this is not your pant size, or like if you fall in medium, large, extra large, etc., that's not your pant size. So now I'm gonna tell you how you can use our website in order to also determine your waist trainer size. And the first thing that you do is you use any browser that you want. So right now I am using Chrome. Excuse me, it's very cold, you know, it's winter time. So right now I'm using cold guys. I said cold. No, cold is in my mind. So right now I'm using Chrome. So you could go through Chrome and you type in tzarphysique.com, which will take you to our homepage. And one of the ways that you can use is to click need help sizing. And after this, it will take you to another page where you're gonna see you can put in your name, your email address, and a message, and then there's a little note on top which tells you that you must include your weight, your height, and you need to include your waist size as well. And you just submit this message and we tell you what your waist trainer size is. A second way that you could use is that you could scroll down on the home page and you will see this blue chat button, and here you include your information. Remember, you must include your weight, your height, your measurements. You send us a direct message and we reply. And then the third and final way is that you could send us a message at tzarphysique to our email at info@tzarphysique.com. Sorry. Then you're gonna see that our sweat belts, waist trainers, and the traditional waist trainers, like I said, you have the clip and zip. Or watch the rest of our videos. We're gonna be talking about these soon. And the size chart for these are all the same. So like I said, the sweat belt, the traditional waist trainers, and the zip, the clip and zip, they all have the same size chart. So you can see here, if you can see here when you measure your weight, your height, your waist size, all this corresponds to whether or not you're XL, S, etc, etc. Then you could also go back to our home page and you could click waist trainers, and you will see all the different waist trainers that we have. So you see the traditional latex waist trainer, and on the shapewears, now we have two different shapewears here. The first one, which is the high waist butt lifter New York number 7120, it also follows the same size chart as the sweat belts and traditional waist trainers. Right, so the size chart is very simple, guys. Once you have your height, your weight, and your measurements, you know where you fall under. Then the other shapewear, which is the full body invisible shaper California number 71233, this shapewear size chart is quite simple. So all you need is your weight, and it will tell you what your size is. So guys, that is it. Thanks guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also check us out on www.tzarphysique.com, and we'll see you on another video. Remember that we drop a video once every week, or we upload a video once every week, so don't forget to check us out. Thank you and bye.